Okay, I'm going to show you how I made this, this poster using the technique of replace color. And so first we're going to start out in Pixlr, and I'm just going to open an image from the computer. I'm going to open my picture first. So all I did was open my picture, and I'm going to move it over here. I'll use it later. But now I'm going to bring in the movie poster. So I'm going to go over here to New Image. And I needed to do a new image because I'm going to make it transparent. And I also know that this movie poster is big, so I'm going to make it a little larger. So I got this checkerboard. That means it's going to be a transparent background. But I'm going to open the poster as a new layer. Open Images layer. And it's on my desktop. There it is. It's still pretty large, so I'm going to come up to Edit and down to Free Transform. And that's going to let me shrink it. Oops, not that much. Okay, so that's pretty good. So now I have this, and I want to apply the changes. I'm going to go get my eraser tool. I'm just going to try to erase his face. Okay, so now that's done. I've got a spot there. But I'm going to go over to my picture, and I'm going to use the marquee tool right up here. And I'm going to select one of my faces. And I'm going to do a Control-C to copy it. I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to do a Control-V as in violin to paste. Now it's huge, so I'm going to come up to Edit and back down to Free Transform, and I'm going to scale it down. Pretty good. And really, I don't need this anymore. So I can get rid of this. Okay, so now I just have this one. But I can see over here the layers, and I'm going to switch the layers so that it's behind it. Whoops. It's on the wrong layer. Okay, but still, this is, I think, still pretty big. I don't know. It might look pretty good. There we go. So now my face is there, and see I've switched the layers over here so that I'm peeking through. And I'm going to go and get the color picker tool right here. It's like a eyedropper. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click some of the green. And as you can see, it showed up right there. And then I'm going to go over here to Color Replacement tool. And I'm going to replace it. Now, I think I'm going to try this. It might not work, but I'll see. Control-Z to undo. Match target lightness. See if this helps. And it didn't really change it too much. And if you don't like the color, it won't change very much, but you can always try to find like a different color, a different green or something. See how deep that green is? So now I'll go up here, color replacement tool, and see how this looks. This is a little dark, but let me see how it goes. I don't know, this might look better. But anyway, you can mess around with that. I think that looks pretty good. So then you're going to come up, do a file, save. You're going to save it. You can save it as a JPEG or a PNG if you're finished. And you can turn it in Google Classroom. Whoops.